Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create lead generating pop-ups and banners on your WooCommerce website using a free plugin. Let me show you an example of the pop-up that I have created on this WooCommerce website. This is the layout of the pop-up that I have created. You can see that how easily I can move the elements on this pop-up. I can customize it, I can change the size, or I can also add different elements on the pop-up. I can also set up different trigger rules for the pop-up. If I want to show this pop-up only on specific pages, then I can set up display rules. I can also schedule the pop-up. If I want to show this pop-up for a specific time period, I can do that also. And I can also choose different target audience for the pop-up. You can also create different types of banners and collect the leads from the banners. For example, this is a banner that I have set up for the blog post. So this banner will be shown only on the blog post. And I can also collect the lead using this simple contact form on the banner. To create these lead generating pop-ups and banners on a WooCommerce website, I'm going to use a plugin, WowOptin. This plugin has free as well as premium version. So I'm going to start with the free plugin and I'll show you how you can create pop-ups and banners using a free plugin. Later, I'm going to install a premium version and I'll show you what is the difference between the free and the premium plugin. What are the extra features that you will get in the premium version? The price of the premium version is only $149 for a single website and you can use it for a lifetime. So it is not a monthly or yearly subscription. You can pay $149 and you will get this plugin for a lifetime. You will also get 14 days money back guarantee and regular updates for this plugin. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So let's see how we can create lead generating pop-ups and banners using the free and the premium WowOptin plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website. Now we are going to start with the installation of the free WowOptin plugin. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Here search for WowOptin. And this is the plugin WowOptin Next Gen Pop-up Maker. Click on install now and click on activate. So the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand panel you will see the option WowOptin. Click on it. So we are on the dashboard of the WowOptin plugin. Let's go to settings. And there is nothing much for the settings. Let's go back to dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see the analytics of your opt-ins. Next to dashboard, you will see opt-in. Go to opt-in. And currently, we do not have any opt-in created. Next to that, you will see templates. So there are some pre-designed templates that you can use to create pop-ups, banners, and floating bars. This is one of the templates which is available for the free plugin, and the other templates are available for the pro version. You can also create the opt-in from the scratch. So it is not necessary to use pre-designed template. You can create it from the scratch. You will see the option here, start from scratch. Next to that, you will see leads. It will show all the leads generated by using the opt-ins. Next to that, we have integrations. You can integrate the opt-in with MailChimp, MailerLite, HubSpot, Brevo, Moosend, OmniSend, and all the other email marketing tools. MailChimp is available for the free version and the other tools are available for the pro version. So let's go back to opt-ins again. We are going to create one opt-in here. So you will see an option here, create new opt-in. Click on it and it will go to the template. If you want to use template, you can use one of the templates or you can start from the scratch. Here you can see the type of the opt-in that you want to create. If I go to pop-up, you will see the templates available for the pop-up. This is the template available for the pop-up. If I go to banner, you will see the templates for the banner. However, these templates are available for the pro version. Then we have floating. This is one of the free floating template and the other templates are for the pro version. So I'm going to start with the pop-up and I'm going to use this free template. You will also see other options, number of steps. If you want to create single step, you can create single step or you can create multi-step. So I'm going to select single step and you will also see some categories for the template. If you want to create template for the Halloween, you can select Halloween and it will show all the templates available for the Halloween. Right, so let's uncheck it and I'm going to create a pop-up. I'm going to select this one, click on use this template, and now you will be on the opt-in builder. This is like a Canva. You can drag and drop the elements and put them on the opt-in. So you will see elements option here. If you click on it, you will see the elements that you can use to create the opt-in. You can add form, you can add text, image, video, countdown, button, coupon, social, shape, shortcode, and HTML. Let's say I want to use text, so I'm going to drag it and drop it here. Let's change the position. You can change the position of all these elements and see how easily you can adjust the layout. So this is the text. I'm going to change the text. Let's say, well, all right, so this is the title. I can select the title. Let's make it bold. And if I go to typography, I can change the font. Let's try this one. So from here, you can change the font. You can also change the size of the font and the weight of the font, line height, transform. You can also change it to uppercase, lowercase, or capitalize. Text wrapping is also available. Select it, and here you will see italic, underline, and strike through. You can also change the color. Let's go to colors and change the color. Currently it is black. I'm going to change it to white. So now it will be a white text. So you can change the color easily. If you want to add background color, you can also add background color. Let's try this background color. All right, and let's adjust the size here. You can also rotate it. If you want to add link, you can simply select it, click on link and enter the link. So if someone clicks on it, it will go to that page. This is the text alignment: left, center, right, and justify. Next to that, we have wrap. You can wrap the text. Hide in device. If you want to hide this text on desktop, you can hide it on desktop. You can hide it on tablet or mobile. So all the customization settings are available. If you want to duplicate, you can simply click on it and it will duplicate the content. Then this is delete. You can delete it from here. So this is the title. Then you can also add image. Simply drag and drop it here. Let's click on select an image and you can upload the image, or you can select one from the media library. So you will see that the image is added. Then go to image settings and change this image settings. This is the image source URL. You can also change the alt text, and if you want to add link, you can add the link from here. Then go to image styles. You can change the image style from here. Let's make it 200 by 150. Then we have no repeat, repeat, and cover like this. If you want to add border, you can also add border, border radius. Box shadow option is also available. Then we have wrap, hide in device, and duplicate option. So this is the image. You can also drag to change the size of the image. So this is the image. Then we have video. You can simply drag and drop the video and you can customize it. Let's change the size. Go to edit. Here you can add the URL of the video. If you have YouTube video, you can add the URL of the YouTube video and it will show there. And these are the settings. If you want to autoplay, you can enable it and it will autoplay whenever the pop-up comes up. Then we have show controls. If you want to hide the controls, you can hide the controls also. You can also add the video thumbnail from here, and you can also add the description. Then we have video style settings. Here you will see the size will be cover or contain, add border and border radius. All right, so this is a video. Then we have countdown. We already have a countdown here. And if I go to settings of the countdown, you can change the settings. This is the time zone. From here, you can set the date for the countdown. I'm going to select this date and this time. All right, so it is going to start the countdown. Then we have countdown style. You will see some presets are there. So all these presets can be used. I'm going to use this one. Then go to countdown colors. From here, you can change the colors. digit. So these are the digits color, label color, and border. You can also add shape, customize it, go to settings, and from here you can select the shape that you want to add. Right, so I'm going to delete it. Then we have social. You can add social media links. Click on it, go to settings, and add the link. If I go here, you can add your Facebook link, you can add your Instagram link or Twitter link. If you want to add more, you can add more social media platforms. Then we have share option and follow option. You can also change the color settings from here, like this. Then we have coupon here. Let's drag and drop it here. This is the coupon. Click on it and go to coupon settings. You will see the coupon code here. You can change the coupon code. And this is the message. Click to copy code. And when someone clicks on it, it is going to copy. And this is the copy message. So the user will be able to copy the coupon when they click on it. Next to that, we have short code. You can add the short code, or you can also add HTML code. Here you will see forms. Here you will see form. You can drag and drop the form. And this is the form. If I click on it, you will see the settings of the form. Currently, it has only email field. If you want to add more fields, you can add more fields. Let's say I want to add full name. So it is going to add the full name also. You can also add phone number. And this is the conversion tracking. And below that, we have close opt-in. When they close the opt-in, do nothing, redirect to URL. After entering the information, it will redirect them to a specific URL. All right, so I'm going to select this one. All right, I'm going to delete this one. So these are the elements that you can add on the opt-in. All right, now next to that, you will see design. Let's go to design. And these are the style settings of the opt-in. Size and spacing, you can select different sizes. You can change the width and the height of the pop-up. Then we have background style. Currently it is using this color. You can change the color from here, or you can use the gradient also. Then we have border style. Currently it is set to no. I can add the border. You will see a border around here. You can change the color of the border, and you can also add a radius for the border. Then we have box shadow. You can add shadow for the box. So you will see the shadow around the box. This is the color. You can change the color. Below that, we have custom CSS. You can also add custom CSS. These are the animation settings. How do you want this pop-up to appear on the website? Currently it is set to fade in. You can change the animation. Let's say zoom in, and the exit will be zoom out. So you will see different animations: fade in, shrink in, flip in, slide up in, slide down in, slide left in, slide right in. So these are the animation settings. If you want to add sound, then you can also add the sound. Let's use beep 1, and it is going to play the sound. There are different sounds that you can use. Then we have overlay settings. Enable overlay. This is the overlay around this pop-up. You can change the color of the overlay. Now you will see different color for the overlay. And below that, we have prevent page scrolling. So if the pop-up appears on the website, the user will not be able to scroll the page in the background. Next to that, we have audience. Let's go to audience, and from here you can choose your target audience. The first option is visitor devices. Currently it is set to all devices. So I want to show this opt-in on all the devices. If you want to show this on specific devices, you can select specific devices. Let's say I do not want to show this on mobile. So I'm going to disable mobile, and this pop-up will not be shown on the mobile devices. All right, so I'm going to select all devices. Then we have visitor types: all visitors or specific visitors, new visitor, a returning visitor, logged in visitor, or logged out visitor. Let's say I do not want to show this pop-up for the logged in user, then I can disable it from here. Then we have browser language. Currently it is set to all languages. You can also set a specific language. When I select specific language, this pop-up will be shown on browser with the English language. You can select different languages from here. All right, I'm going to select all languages. After that, we have geolocation, which is available for the pro version. Operating system is set to all operating system. I can select different operating systems. Let's say I do not want to show it on Linux, so I am going to disable it on Linux, and it is not going to show the pop-up on the Linux operating system. Then we have traffic sources. Currently it is set to all sources, and there are different options. However, those options are available for the pro version only. Next to that, we have trigger. Let's go to trigger. Where do you want to show this pop-up? So you will see an option here, after X seconds. So if someone lands on your website, let's say I want to show this pop-up after 10 seconds. So I'm going to enter 10, and this pop-up will be shown after 10 seconds when the visitor lands on your website. There are different triggers. If I click on add new trigger, you will see the options. Currently, the free version has only one option, that is after X second. Then we have after scrolling, inactivity mode, exit intent, on click, and on hover. I'm also going to install the pro version, and I'll show you how to use the other options available for the pro version. Then we have display rules, manage display rules. Where do you want to show this pop-up? Currently it is set to page. You can change it to entire website, and this pop-up will be shown on the entire website. So if the visitor lands on the home page, it is going to show the pop-up. If they land on the contact page, it is going to show the pop-up. So we are going to show the pop-up on the entire website. The other options are front page, that means only on the home page. Post type, you can select the post type. Here you will see all, or you can select specific page, post. Then we have post. You can show this pop-up on a specific blog post on your website, or category, then tags, page, parent page, author. If I go to page, I can select the page also. Let's say I want to show it on about page. So this pop-up will be shown on the about page only. So from here you can manage the display rules. There are different options: floating element, template, step, WooCommerce. That is available for the pro version only. After that, we have schedules. You can schedule this pop-up. You will see time zone. You can change the time zone from here. You can customize. You can select the custom time zone, and from here you can select the time zone. Then we have select launch date. When do you want to start showing this pop-up on the website? Immediately after publishing it, or you can select custom and set the date and the time to start this pop-up. Let's say I want to show this pop-up from tomorrow. So I'm going to select the next date and the time, and it will start showing this pop-up after this time. So I'm going to select immediately, and from here you can select the end date also. So currently it is set to never, so it will not end the pop-up, it will keep on showing. Or you can select custom and select the date. Let's say after 20th of Feb, I do not want to show this pop-up, so I'm going to select 20, and let's select the time also. So after this date and time, it is not going to show this pop-up. Right, so I'm going to select never. After that, let's go to interval. Now here you will see manage interval settings. Show the opt-in every page load, or display once every, let's say, 30 minutes. So after every 30 minutes, it is going to show the pop-up on the website. Or you can select every page load. So whenever they go from one page to another page, it is going to show the pop-up. The next option is stop displaying after a visitor. Close the opt-in. That means if the visitor closed the opt-in, then it is not going to show the pop-up again. Takes action. If the visitor takes the action on the pop-up, if they click on it, or if they submit the form on the pop-up, it is going to stop displaying the pop-up to the visitor. Then we have hits the view limit, that is available for the pro version. So I'm going to click on update. So it is now saved. Let's go back to the pop-up. Here you will see tablet. This is how it will look on the tablet, and on the mobile device it is going to look like this. Now we can customize it for the mobile device, put it like this, or we can hide this element on the mobile device also. Hide on mobile, so it is not going to show this video on the mobile device. Let's say I want to hide this on mobile, so I'm going to hide this one on mobile. So all these elements will be shown on the mobile. If I go to desktop, all these elements will be shown on the desktop. So you can fully customize this pop-up. Now I'm going to change the display rule. I want to show this on home page only. So I'm going to select home page. All right, so I have selected page and home. You can also select entire website if you want to show it on the entire website. Click update, go to publish. I'm going to make it published and click update. Now this pop-up is live. Let's go back. and let's go to opt-ins, and you will see the pop-up here. I'll go to the page and I'm going to refresh this page. After 10 seconds, it should show the pop-up. And this is the pop-up. All right, so the color does not look good. I need to customize the color on the text and it will show properly. So now you will see I do not have any option to close this pop-up, and I cannot even scroll on the page. All right, so we need to add the close option. So let's go back, go to edit, go to design, go to position. This is the position. I forgot to show you the position. Currently it is set to the center. You can also change the position to top right, top left, or bottom right. So these are the positions. Let's go to close option here, and I need to enable the close option. So it will show the close button here. You can select one of the layout for the close button, and these are the color settings. When do you want to show? Always show the close button or on hover. So I'm going to select always. Closing behavior, and here you will see closing behavior. Close with escape key. If I enable it, I can press the escape key on the keyboard and it will close the pop-up. And these are the other options. Close by clicking outside, and auto close after delay. You can also auto close this pop-up after, let's say, 5 seconds. Close on page scroll. So I'm going to update it. Let's go back and refresh it. So this is the pop-up now, and I have a close button here. So I'm going to click on it and it is going to close the pop-up. You will also see the entrance and the exit animation. So using a free version also, you can create a pop-up or a banner. All right, let's go back. I do have the premium version of the plugin, so I'm going to install the premium version now. Let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin. I have it downloaded, so I'm going to upload the premium version and install now. Click on activate. All right, so you will see the pro version is installed. Now let's go back to WowOptin, go to license, and we will need to enter the license key. So I have the license key. I'm going to enter the license key here and click on activate license. It says congratulations, the pro version is activated. Now let's go back to opt-ins again, and let's create a new one. Click on create new opt-in, and I'm going to use a pop-up, and you will see different pop-up options there. Let's select one of these templates here. Now we have the access to all these templates. Let's try this one. Click on use template. All right, so this is the template. Now again, you can add elements if you want to add elements, or you can customize the current elements also. This is an image. You can add your own image. This is the content. You can replace this content with your own content. This is the countdown timer. You can set the date for the countdown timer from here. Currently it is set to 1 hour 0 minutes. You can change, and you can use a date and time for this countdown timer, and you will see the changes here. What do you want to show? Days, hours, minutes, and seconds. I'm going to remove seconds, and I'm going to change the position here, so it will show days, hours, and minutes only, or I can show the seconds also. Then we have a button. If I click on it, you will see the button settings, and here you will see another button, no thanks, and the action for this button will be close the opt-in. After that, we have design. All the settings will remain same. You can play with the design, and you can make changes to the style settings. Go to audience. Again, you will see all the same settings are there. Specific devices. Then we have specific visitors, languages, specific location. Now this option is available. You will see geolocations. Where do you want to show this pop-up? Now let's say I want to show this pop-up in specific countries only, then I can enter the country here. Let's say I want to show this in United States, so I can select United States, and I can also select India. So now this pop-up will be shown in these 2 countries only. So this is how you can select the geolocations. Operating system, again we have the same options, and traffic sources. If I go to specific channels, you will see different channels from where the visitors are coming to your website. You can select a specific group of visitors to which you want to show this pop-up. Let's say if someone coming from organic search and you want to show this pop-up only to these people coming from organic search, then you can enable this option and disable all the other options. So this pop-up will be shown to the visitor coming from the organic search only. All right, I'm going to select all sources. Let's go to trigger, and for the trigger we have different options now. After scrolling, if I select it, let's say pixels or percentage. If the visitor scrolls 50% on the website, it is going to show the pop-up. I'm going to delete the after X seconds option from here. So this is the trigger point now. If the visitor comes to your website and if they scroll 50% on the page, it is going to show the pop-up. Or you can also select after delay of 5 seconds. So I'm going to select immediately after 50% scroll. So this is the trigger. If I click on add new trigger, you will see different options. Inactivity. If the user is inactive on your website for, let's say, 10 seconds, then it is going to show this pop-up. Let's delete this one. Click on add new trigger. Exit intent. So if the customer is about to go to another page or about to close your website, then it is going to show this pop-up. So if I move the cursor to the X mark here in the browser, it is going to show the pop-up. Or if I click on it, it is going to show the pop-up before closing the website. Let's delete this one. Let's go to add new trigger. On click, you will see an option here, trigger element. Display when a visitor clicks a specific element. So you need to add some element on your website, which when clicked, it will show this pop-up. And one more option is on hover. Display when visitor hover on a specific element. Here you will need to set up a selector. You will need to create a class, the style class. And if the visitor move the cursor on that section, it is going to show that pop-up. So I'm going to select this option here after scrolling. It's updated. Then go to display rules. Currently it is set to page. I'm going to select another option here. Let's say I'm going to select a WooCommerce option from here. For the WooCommerce, you will see different options. Products in the cart. If I select this one, you will see if the customer adds one of the products in the cart, it is going to show the pop-up. So if you have an offer for that particular product, the pop-up will come when the customer adds that product into the cart. So you can select one of the product here. Let's say this is the product. That means if the customer add this product into the cart, it is going to show that pop-up. Next option is number of products in the cart. Let's say if I select this one is equal to 3. So if the customer adds 3 products in the cart, it is going to show the pop-up. Next to that, we have total cart price is equal to, less than or greater than. So you can select the condition here is equal to, let's say, $500, then it is going to show the pop-up. So if the value of the products in the cart is more than or equal to $500, then it is going to show the pop-up. Instead of equal to, you can make it greater than $500. Then we have cart page. If the customer goes to the cart page, it is going to show the pop-up. Then we have thank you page. So if after making a purchase, customer will go to the thank you page, and there you can show this pop-up. So in this case, I'm going to show this pop-up on the page, let's say the shop page. So I'm going to select shop or the store page. I have the name of the shop page is store in this example website. So if the customer goes to the store, then it is going to show this pop-up. Next one is schedule. I'm going to publish this immediately, no end date. Then interval, the same options are there. Stop displaying after a visitor closes the pop-in, closes the opt-in, takes an action, or hits the view limit. All right, I'm going to click on update. So these are the settings for this opt-in. Now let's go back here and go to opt-ins again. Here you will see 2 opt-ins that we have created. One is a pop-up and the other one is floating. Click on create new opt-in. And this time we are going to select banner. So it will show all the options available for the banner. And I'm going to use this one. Click on use template. And this is going to be a banner. And again, you can customize this banner. You can simply go to elements, add different elements, or you can change the content on this template. Right, let's go to design. Then we have the same options here. Let's enable the close button. Position will be at the top or at the bottom. These are the style settings. You can change the background style, border style, box shadow. You can also add the sound effect. Let's go to audience. Here all the devices, all visitors, everything is set up. I'm not going to make any changes. Go to trigger. Let's make it 5 seconds and go to display rules. Currently it is set to page. I'm going to change it to, let's say the post type includes any of the post. So I have a blog on this demo website, and this banner will be shown only on the blog post. Again, you can select any one of these display rules, or you will see EDD, that is easy digital download. If you are using easy digital download, then you will see some options for the EDD also: products in the cart, number of products in the cart, total cart price, cart page, and thank you page. Post type is post. Go to schedule immediately, and interval will be every page load, and stop displaying after a visitor closes the opt-in. Let's publish it, update it. Let's go back to the website. Let's go to dashboard. Let's see if we have a post here. Okay, so this is the blog post. Open it, and now you will see the banner on the blog post. So this banner will be shown only on the blog post, and it is set to show the banner at the top. This is the same banner, so I can enter the email address here and click on claim the discount. This is nothing but the contact form which will capture the lead. Claim the discount, and it shows the thank you message also. Thank you, check your email to get the coupon code. All right, so this is how the banner works. So if you want to add the lead generating pop-ups and the banners on your WooCommerce website, you can definitely try using this plugin. You can start with the free plugin, and if you want more features, you can go for the pro version of the plugin, which will cost you only $149 for a single website, and it is a lifetime deal. You will see pay once, use for a lifetime. So if you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.